Welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom. Let's go over some of the smaller items that we'll have in the upcoming subscriber giveaway. We're going to start up here with the Skiff Finger Bit. This is the unopened box with the blue anodized aluminum one in there. I'll go ahead and show you what a green one looks like. The blue one is identical except it is blue. Same as the cheat sheet in the background. These have a magnet inside to hold that hex bit. They're really good if you're working with pieces of equipment that have probably like a rotating pivot or something you need, two tools or two bits to hold one side and then work with the other one. So it's really good to utilize in those situations. Following that, I'll go ahead and show you the Skiff cheat sheet that is anodized aluminum, the same color that the prize finger bit will be in. That's blue. This helps you identify bearing sizes and pivot sizes. Don't worry, I'll be putting this pen to the side shortly after this one. These are titanium carabiners. One has a little bottle opener on it, the other one does not. Both are extremely lightweight and strong. Right after that is the County Com patch. Two of these will be included. We've got two sets of Llama patches, as well as numerous Llama stickers that will be spread throughout the sticker packs. Lastly, for the patches, we have two from Crispy Donut Community. Next up are two pocket organizers from Zero Feud. This one's OD green with a cool orange inside. And here's a different style. This is one I actually use. This is the same style I use for my individual first aid kit that I carry around with me. It's good for numerous different things and organizing. So, two fantastic pocket organizers from Zero Feud. Now for this next one, I'm going to bring out the UV light and charge these up. Takes really no time at all with a good UV light. But these are essentially glow-in-the-dark pieces of equipment that I got from County Com and decided to throw into this giveaway. I'm a fan of the glow-in-the-dark gear from County Com because it is crazy bright. And so, I'll give you a little example here once I turn this light out. So what I've included in the giveaway is one pop pen, one gear tag, and one roll of tape. This next one is like a little glow-in-the-dark block that has numerous pieces of Velcro you can stick to items so you can move it around from gear to gear. Lastly, we have these sticker packs. These will be going out as well to numerous individuals, so just really looking forward to giving things back to all the viewers and individuals who have supported the channel. Thank you so much to everyone. I'm still figuring out the format on how we're going to do this. I know there's numerous pieces of gear to give out, so I want to make sure there's a format that works for everyone. So stay tuned to the channel for upcoming news and additional videos on what will be included in the giveaway. So thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to carry your personality, and thank you again.